Do whatever you want to.
It probably will get posted. I got too much horsepower around me now. I'm gonna be real quiet. Ain't gonna be no trouble out there.
Candid camera.
You're on the camera, Dan, so behave.
I ain't
these lovely children?
They're up here fighting.
They are?
Yeah.
What are they fighting about?
I told him if he want to go on a boat ride, he need to get a boat.
Ah, there you go.
Ferries are attracted to the ferry.
Hey,
I'm trying to see my direct. I'm heading direction on here. I want to go to, you know where y'all went to eat at that Bobby, Ann and Dave's.
yeah.
Well, right over from there, back when you go to 79, then right back this way, back towards the south, there's a Eiffel Tower that Jamie wants to go see.
What?
Eiffel
Eiffel
Tower.
Tower?
I didn't know there was an Eiffel Tower.
Can't you pull it
What do
up
you
on
call
your
it?
phone?
Eiffel Tower? Eiffel Tower.
You ever been to
Anyway.
Eiffel Tower? You hadn't? How come? They won't let you in France. You're outlawed.
Oh, man, big green egg. Oh, a buddy of mine a while back. I've been doing brisket. Yeah. Yeah, I bought him for $700. Oh, yeah, extra large. Oh, big one. I've heard about Dick. Man, I sold a horse in there. It's one of 50 something. Man, it's good. I've got ribs, prime ribs. I was pretty good. Real well. On top, I get you cooking real slow. So,
Kind of like you cook barbecue.
yeah, that's right. I've done a bunch of Boston butts. Boston butts.
Man, you put one on Facebook, made me want to come out.
Man, come on.
Bye.